Welcome back, guys, to yet another impactful video by Impact Forex. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit that like button. Right, we are continuing from where we left off, and today I just want you to listen attentively and let's get rolling. Now, you got through to understand the power, and we explained everything all about that in the previous lesson. We spoke about session breaks and range breaks. So today I just want to show you the perfect trade. Okay, the perfect trade. Now that we understand all these things that we have been learning, we have come to the final part of our lessons. Of course, there's more information to be learned, and I'm open for questions. You can always reach out to me. Go to our Telegram channel where we'll be sharing trade setups, where we'll be answering your questions. You can send messages to me and I will try by all means to answer all your questions where you don't understand. Okay, so we spoke about power in the previous session, and to make up the perfect trade, I just want to add something else, which is the economics. Okay, so there are a lot of things which are involved when you are placing a trade, right? And one of those things is economics. We spoke about the power in the previous session. Yes, power. Now we're going to talk about economics. Okay, so you don't need to be an economic guru. You just need to understand how to interpret the economic calendar to see, do you have the markets in your favor? So with the economic calendar, you can get the economic calendar from investing.com. You can also get the economic calendar from the Forex factory.com. So just go there and you look up your economic calendar. I do teach about how to interpret the economic calendar and all that in my trainings. So if you want more information on that, you will speak to me. So economics are part of your fundamental analysis. Okay. So before you play the trade, you go through what you spoke about power. And once you know, because the power will help you determine the direction of the market. Once you have determined that, you then, number two, you look at your economics. Okay, so let's say you want to trade the euro, for example. You go to your economic calendar and you look out for news on the euro. If you see that the euro is weak, euro USD, euro is weak, and you look at the US dollar, you see that the US dollar has been strong for quite some time, then you will know that your market is gonna go down. You have looked at your power, you've seen that there's a seller's territory, and then you look at the economics, and the economics are telling you that the euro is weak and the dollar is strong. Now, this increases your odds even much further. You have done your research, then the last thing that you just need to do is to find your entry. I think that's quite easy to understand. Okay, so in the previous session, we discussed that this is the break of Asia, and that is where your entry is going to be. So there's something also that I call the concept of 2 time frames. You only need 2 time frames to really trade. You don't need to do all the analysis for all the time frames. It's just going to confuse you. Whether you pick the 15 minutes and the 5 minutes, or the 1 hour and the 15 minutes, 4 hours and the 1 hour, just 2 is enough. But we talk about some of these details, some of these things in details in our trainings. Okay, so once you have determined your power and you have seen that your session has been broken, and I will advise you to look at the 15 minutes time frame, because most of you are beginners. So once you see the power on the 15 minutes time frame, you then shift to the 3 minutes. You shift to the 3 minutes to monitor your pullbacks. Okay, go to the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, it's taking long. So let's look for where we are. Sorry about this. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so this is our 3 minutes chart. Right. So this is where Asia was broken. Right here. So once this is broken, you saw that on the 15 minutes, then you come to your 3 minutes to monitor the pullbacks. So the market pulled back to the entry, to the break. So that's where you enter. Right here. After this pullback, you enter. If you have missed that, you wait for this pullback. The market pulls back, then you enter. Pull back, then you enter. Pull back, then you enter. So that's how you enter your trades. You monitor your charts on the 15 minutes. Your power is going to the downside on the 15 minutes. Your session is broken. Then you jump to your 3 minutes time frame, and then you enter after the pullback. This is how you pick the right trade. This is how you get the perfect trade. And you just go with that, you ride that momentum. These are the type of trades we want to trade. This is what we want to trade. Once we get a pullback for that, we are going to ride the momentum. Every time you get a pullback, you ride that momentum. Okay, thank you so much, guys. It has been a pleasure. If you have any questions, subscribe to our channel. Then there's a link for our Telegram page down there. You can join our Telegram page, where we will assist you and we'll be sharing free setups there. Thank you so much. This is Impact Forex trading channel. Please subscribe, and remember, trading is not hard. Trading is easy. Cheers. Bye bye.